Hey everyone, I'm Kate from Foyr and welcome back to our channel. Have you ever looked around your living room and thought, wow, this couch is totally giving off runway vibes? No? Well, you'd be surprised to know just how much fashion and interior design have in common. From the patterns on your pillows to the colors on your walls, the runway and your living space are more connected than you think. So today, we're diving into the fascinating world of how fashion trends sneak their way into our homes. Let's start with the basics. Fashion and interior design. Two worlds that seem totally different, right? But really, they're like two best friends sharing secrets. Both are all about self-expression, trends, and making a statement. Think about it. Designers in both fields play with color, texture, and form to create something that not only looks amazing, but feels just right. You know that trendy floral pattern you saw on a dress last season? Yep, it's probably on someone's wallpaper right now. So how exactly do fashion trends make their way into home decor? Let me give you an example. A few years ago, minimalist fashion took over. You know, clean lines, neutral colors, that super sleek vibe. And guess what? That same trend showed up in our homes, with minimalist interiors, soft hues, and clutter-free spaces. On the flip side, when bold prints and vibrant colors are hot on the runway, you'll start seeing them in home accessories. Think rugs, throw pillows, even wallpaper. It's like the runway is the first domino, and interior design is the rest of the chain reaction. Here's a term you might not have heard before: interior fashion designing. It's basically taking fashion principles like trendy fabrics, colors, and styles, and applying them to your home. So instead of your living room just being cozy, it becomes an extension of your personal style. It's like wearing your favorite outfit, but for your house. And then there are the fashion designers who just couldn't resist diving into the world of interiors. I mean, can you blame them? Big names like Giorgio Armani, Versace, and Ralph Lauren have all expanded into home decor. Their furniture and bedding collections are basically their runway collections, but for your bedroom or living room. It's like having a slice of Fashion Week, right in your home. So, how can you bring a touch of fashion into your space? Don't worry, you don't need to redecorate your whole house. Here are a few simple ideas. Update your textiles, swap out pillows and curtains with trendy patterns or colors. Add accent pieces, vases, rugs, or even art that reflects the latest styles. And my favorite, mix and match textures. Just like layering outfits, you can layer different materials in your home for a dynamic, fashionable look. Easy, right? Looking ahead, the collaboration between fashion and interior design is only going to grow stronger. With sustainable materials taking center stage in fashion, we're already seeing eco-friendly furniture and decor. And with tech innovations like virtual reality, soon you'll be able to design a room that feels like it's straight off the runway without leaving your couch. The possibilities are endless, and honestly, I can't wait to see what's next. So, whether you're a fashion enthusiast or an interior design lover, the connection between these two worlds is undeniable. The next time you see a bold pattern on a jacket or a new color trend, just imagine how amazing it would look in your home. Because at the end of the day, your living space is just another way to express who you are. And hey, if anyone asks why your couch looks like it belongs on the runway, you can just tell them, because it does. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your favorite fashion-inspired decor idea. See you in the next video.